Hello learners, hope you are safe. In the previous lesson, we discussed on the location, land features of the northern plains and the names of the states in this region. We visited the Satluj Basin. Today, let's move ahead. Look, all the major rivers are shown here. They all make rich the land of our country. We will move now to the Ganga Basin. Now the major rivers of the northern plains. They feed the plains and make fertile. Now among these major rivers, some are perennial rivers. Look, the Ganga and its main tributary, the Yamuna. All feed on the Himalayan glaciers and snow. So, they are perennial rivers. That means having flow throughout the year. Among the three basins, the most vital and the largest one is the Ganga Basin. The most important and significant river is the Ganga. It originates from the Gangotri Glacier, flows out through a cave named Gamukh, and then it flows through Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and lastly it enters West Bengal and divides into two. One part flows downward to meet the Bay of Bengal, naming Hooghly, and the other part enters Bangladesh, naming Padma. Its main tributaries in the northern region are the Yamuna, Gomti, Gandak, Ghagra, and Koshi. Southern region, there are Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, and Son. These rivers have made this land very much fertile for growing crops. Now the Ganga, its origin. Look. Now the Ganga passing through Uttarakhand, Haridwar. But remember, it is not the part of northern plains. Look, alluvial fan. What is alluvial fan? Rivers like the Ganga, which descend from the Himalayas, deposit their load along the foothills in the form of alluvial fans. These rivers provide the land with alluvium. Now, what is alluvium? Look, this is alluvium. Rivers are carrying sand, gravel, silt over thousands of years. They deposit them along their pathway. That is alluvium. It's very good for growing crops, increases the fertility of the soil, good for cultivation. It makes agriculture rich. Now the reasons for being rich in agriculture of this region. Fertile alluvial soil, flat surface, slow-moving perennial rivers, favorable climate, and sufficient rainfall. This basin is rich with crops like rice, jute, wheat, sugarcane, etc. So many types of various vegetables and fruits are also grown a lot. So this basin produces a large quantity of food to support a large population of our country. Hence, it is called Football of India. The states of the Ganga basin are Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. Now, Delhi, capital territory with special status. Country capital is New Delhi. The India Gate, All India War Memorial Arch. Rashtrapati Bhavan, the house of our president, the president of our country. The Red Fort, built by Emperor Shah Jahan, took 8 years to build. You know, the architect of the Red Fort and the Taj Mahal is the same person, Ustad Ahmed Lahori. Now the Qutub Minar, the Victory Tower, built in 1193. Base diameter is 15 meter and top peak is 2.5 meters, about 73 meter tall. Spiral staircase of 379 steps. Uttar Pradesh, state of a number of historical cities and places, capital Lucknow. Agra, the Agra Fort, main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty, was built under the reign of Emperor Akbar. The Baby Taj, mausoleum of Mirza Ghiyas Beg, the father of Empress Noor Jahan. Now the one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal. You know, it adorns the tomb of Mumtaz Mahal, wife of Emperor Shah Jahan, mausoleum built by Emperor Shah Jahan. Agra is on the bank of the river Yamuna, the main tributary of the Ganga. Now Lucknow, capital city of Uttar Pradesh, city of culture. Music, art and culture are every nook and corner of the city. Musical history is tuned everywhere. Now another historical city, Allahabad. This is Allahabad Fort or Prayag Fort, built by Emperor Akbar on the bank of the river Yamuna. Triveni Sangam, that is the meeting of the Ganga, the Yamuna and the Saraswati. Now Varanasi, city of history, city of temples, city of music, the holy city is Varanasi. Now come to Bihar, capital Patna, on the river Ganga. This is Gandhi Ghat. And Shanti Stupa, Vaishali, Rajgir, Nalanda, there are so many Shanti Stupa. Look, the ruins of ancient Nalanda University. Now, come to West Bengal, capital Kolkata, the city of joy, city of history, city of culture. The Howrah Bridge or the Rabindra Setu and the second Hooghly Bridge or the Vidyasagar Setu, all are on the river Ganga or Hooghly. This is Victoria Memorial and the Indian Museum. We touch the history of the earth and mankind here. Now we will move to the Brahmaputra basin in the next lesson. Thank you, dear learners.